Hello everyone and welcome to Salesforce FAQs. So today in this video we are going to talk about the reactive screen flows in Salesforce. Like what are the reactive screen flows and how they work. So first let me tell you what is component reactivities in Salesforce flows. So the component reactivity in the Salesforce screen flows allows specific fields on the same screen to update automatically. So with the help of component reactivity, a user can enter or change values without clicking the next button or submitting the screen. That means we can give input and see the updated changes in other fields on the same screen. So with this we can make the screen flow more interactive and dynamic. So first let me show you a demo screen flow that I have created with enabled reactivity. So this is the screen flow in which I have added the reactivity. So this is the only screen component I have added in this screen flow. First I will show you the structure, like how I have added the field in this screen component. So here you can see there are three number fields: product price, discount amount, and the discount price, and the discounted price. And one more field is there, that is the slider component, that is from the range from 1 to 100. So in this flow, when the user will enter product price and select the discount percentage, then these two fields will be populated automatically. So for that I will click on the debug button and here click on the run button. So now you can see these are the fields that I have added in the screen flow. So here I will enter the product price as 500, and now you will see the moment I will move this slider from the range 1 to 100, you will see the discount amount field and the discounted price fields are updating dynamically. So with this we don't need to create two separate screen where user have to enter the product price and the discount percentage on the first screen, and then the user have to navigate on the another screen to see the discounted amount and the discounted price. So this is how reactivity works in the Salesforce screen flow. And now we are going to create the same flow so that you will be able to understand how you can implement component reactivity in the Salesforce screen flow and make your flows more dynamic. And before that, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the topic. So as of now, I logged into my Salesforce developer account, and to use the component reactivity in Salesforce screen flows, first we need to enable the reactivity. So for that, first you have to go to the quick find box and here search and select automation settings. So here you will see the option process automation settings. So here you have to click on it, and now in the setup of process automation settings, you have to drag down to the checkbox field that is enable reactive components for screen flows running API version 57 and 58. So to use the component reactivity, you have to enable the checkbox. So in my case, it is already enabled. So here we will click on the save button after enabling the checkbox. So now from here, we will navigate to the flow setup. So again in the quick find box, search and select flows. Here click on the button new flow, and here select the option start from scratch and click next. So in this example, we are going to create a screen flow. So we'll select this option screen flow and then click create. And here in the flow canvas, we are going to add the screen component. So from here we will add the screen element to the flow, and first we have to enter the label and the API name for the screen component for the screen element. So I'm going to name it as discount calculator, and the API name here will be autofilled. So here in this screen flow we are going to create the discount calculator that I have showed you in the demo. So for that we need three number fields, so I will add three number fields to the screen region. And for the discount percentage, we have added a slider component. So here on the second number I will add the slider component. So the first number field here I am going to label it as product price. That is the input field that user will give, and the API name here will be auto field. And here for the slider component we are going to name it as discount percentage. And here you can change the minimum or the maximum range for the slider. I will keep it as default from 0 to 100. And now the next number field that will be populated automatically is going to be discount amount. So here I will enter the label and the API name will be auto field. So here we are going to populate this field dynamically according to the input given in the product price and the selected discount percentage. So for the discount amount, we have to create a new resource, that is a formula field that will calculate the discount amount based on the product price and the applied discount. So for that, go to the field default value and here select new resource, and the resource type here is going to be formula, and here you have to enter the API name. So I will name it as discount amount, and the data type here is going to be number. And here in the formula editor we are going to enter the formula that will calculate the discounted amount. So the formula here is going to be, so from the lookup field insert a resource, we have to select product price multiplied by, and then select discount percentage. So here we have to enter discount percentage dot value and then divided by 100. So this formula will calculate the discount amount, and here we have to click on the done button. And now we are going to define another number field, that is discounted price. So here I'm going to enter the label as discounted price, and here is the API name. And now for this also we will go to the default value field and here select new resource, and this resource is also going to be a formula resource, and here we have to enter the API name, and after entering the API name you have to select the data type. So for this resource also the data type is going to be number, and here in the formula editor we have to write the formula that will calculate the discounted price. So it will be product price subtracted by product price and multiplied by discount percentage dot value. So here we are subtracting the product price with the formula that we have used to calculate the discount amount. So here click on the done button. So as of now we have configured the screen element. So here click on the done button, and after this we need to save this flow because without it we can't debug or activate it. So here I am going to name this flow as reactive screen component, and here click on the save button. And now to test the flow we will debug it. So for that click on the debug button and here click run, and here I will enter the product price. And after entering the product price, when I move the slider, that is select value, you will see the changes in the discount amount and the discounted price. So here it is showing select value, that means the field label is not reflecting. So I will go back to the flow. So here we forgot to change the label, so this select value is the default label. So here I'm going to name this label as discount percentage, and again click on the done button, and after this click on the save as new version to reflect the changes. And here again I will debug the flow, and now you can see the discount percent label is appearing over here. So after entering the product price, when I move the slider of discount percentage, you will see the discount amount and the discounted price is populated automatically. So this is how component reactivity works in Salesforce ScreenFlow, and with this you can make your ScreenFlows more dynamic and reactive. So this was all about reactivity of screen components in Salesforce.